Welcome to Let's Talk Podcast, where we have the conversations you wish someone had with you sooner. No sugarcoating, no guilt tripping, just real talk about things that shape us, hold us back, and push us forward. Today's topic, the beliefs we were taught growing up that actually did more harm than good. I think this is a juicy one to start off with. By the way, I'm your host, Denise Marie. So without any further ado, let's get started. Have you ever looked back and thought to yourself, dang, why did I believe that for so long? And the moment you start unpacking that, it's almost like a whole mental renovation. Let's be real. So many of us were raised with rules that sounded good on the surface. I'll give you about 3 examples. Be nice, no matter what. Work twice as hard to be seen as half as good. Keep the peace, even when you're uncomfortable. Now, don't get me wrong. Some lessons definitely did have their place. However, what happens when being nice turns into letting people walk all over you? Or when working twice as hard burns you out before you even hit your stride? For me, one belief that took way too long to shake was that I had to prove myself to everyone and anyone, plus their mamas, uncles, and aunts, just for me to be seen as valuable. Does that sound right? No, and it's not. And once I realized that was a total game changer. Let's take a scenario we've all seen. Meet Maya. Maya grew up hearing, never talk back, be humble, don't draw attention to yourself. So she does just that. In school, she doesn't challenge unfair grades. At work, she takes on extra tasks without speaking up about a raise. Even in relationships, she avoids conflict because she doesn't want to seem difficult. Fast forward. Maya's older. She's exhausted, overworked, and she's wondering why no one respects her boundaries. Because guess what? She never set them. Yes, that part right there. We've all been there. Realizing too late that silence wasn't protecting us. It was just keeping us invisible. And really, it's not her fault. She was taught that respect meant being silent instead of being heard. Does this sound familiar to you? We've all had a little Maya in us at some point, and realizing doesn't mean blaming how we were raised. It simply means taking back control and deciding, okay, this belief isn't serving me anymore, so what do I replace that with? How does one rewrite old narratives? Glad you asked, because here are 3 things that helped me. Number 1, question the belief. Ask yourself, who actually benefits from me thinking this way? And I'll give you a hint. It's usually not you. Number 2, replace it with something better. Instead of, I have to be nice no matter what, try, I can be kind without being a pushover. And number 3, practice that new belief. Undoing years of conditioning does not happen overnight. But each time you stand up for yourself, each time you advocate for your worth, you are reinforcing your new truth. All right, so let's make this real. What's a belief you had to unlearn? Please, humor me, drop it in the comments. I would love to hear your story because trust me, I'm not the only one who needs to hear it too. And if this episode hit home for you, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. And don't forget, ring the notification bell to keep up to date. We're just getting started, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Take care, guys.